Hello guys, and welcome back to our channel Whiteboard Wealth. In today's video, what we're going to be talking about, the trending cryptocurrency, which is called Ampleforth, if I pronounce that right. And what you guys can do is go ahead and subscribe with post notifications turned on. I see you guys really enjoyed the last video, and we'll have more in store for you. So Ampleforth cryptocurrency, this is currently at $1.35, and in the last 24 hours, if we look, it's been traded at, its low was $1.15 and its high was $1.60. Now at the end of this video, what I'm going to be doing is giving you the price predictions for Ampleforth. So if you're here for that, you guys can hold on to the very end. We'll have those predictions ready for you. The volume / market cap is $0.22, but the trading volume in the last 24 hours was $63,100,014. The live Ampleforth price today is $1.32 USD with a 24-hour trading volume of 63 million. Ampleforth is down $3.98. So now here's a look at the Ampleforth website. I guess it just launched. I think it's about 12 hours ago, and it really had the entire the entire network kind of in an uproar, I should say, because it was trending, and I just knew that I had to get on this immediately for you guys. So when we go over here now to the price predictions, as of 2021 April 22nd, Thursday, current price for Ampleforth is $1.35. And our data indicates that the asset price has increased in an uptrend for the past 1 year or since its inception. Ampleforth has been showing a rising tendency, so we believe that similar market segments were very popular in the given time frame. Our site uses a custom algorithm based on a deep learning that helps our users to decide if Ample could be a good portfolio addition for the future. These predictions take several variables into account, such as volume changes, price changes, market cycles, simple coins. Future price for the asset is predicted at $1.57. So if we look here, if we go ahead and look here, am I on the right? Yes. If we go and look on the chart here, we can see at one point that Ample was like about $2, and now it's currently at, it's rising, it's falling, it's rising, it's falling. But there is a trend that is saying that it's going to go up, because you can see the trading volume in the last 24 hours was 314%, and that is going up. So what you guys want to do, I'm going to follow this trend, and I'm going to give you continuous updates of this. So what you guys want to go ahead and do is like and comment, as well as subscribe with post notifications turned on. And I will do more of these videos for you, especially if you leave a comment below saying, okay, well, Whiteboard Wealth, I don't understand X, Y, and Z, can you shed more light on this or shed more light on that? And I'll be happy to assist you in any way that I possibly can. Okay guys, so, and else, especially if you need trends, let me know in the description below, in the comment section below, and I'll be happy to assist you with that. So guys, have a great day cryptoing. Whiteboard Wealth signing out.